Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an Adobe sign form. So let's go and do that. Now log in into your Adobe Acrobat sign account. Now locate the tool from the home page, select publish a web forum. So you will find that under the e-sign or documents. So let's go to the documents. Okay, so e-sign, and then from here create a web forum, just like that. Click on it. Now what you're going to do is select the document from your computer or your device. Now you will set up here the name, files, add files, then you will set participant roles here. So you have signer, must apply a signature and fill fields. Approver is reviews or accepts the document but does not need to sign, and fill form only enters data and submits without signing. Then we have some authentication. So here you will choose a method to verify signers, such as email verification, password, or phone. Now what you are going to do now is just here you see the prepare, so recipient web form signer, or we can do anyone, signature field, signer info field, data field, so text input, more fields. We have also file attachment and transaction number. Yeah, and that's basically it. When we are happy with that, just create, continue. Here you will see share the URL embedded code. We also have it, so you can select HTML or JavaScript. When you are happy with that, just click done, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.